Movie recap channels are one of the most evergreen niches on YouTube, and today, I'm about to break down how one such channel mastered automation and scaled to over 4 million subscribers. But before we jump in, quick heads up. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme or no skills, easy money kind of thing. This is a full-blown, beginner-friendly guide to content creation, which honestly is one of the most valuable skills you can have in today's world. If you're ready to put in the work and learn how to make solid content that grows with you, then let's dive in. We'll start by locking in a solid video idea. Then, I'll show you how to get your entire script written using ChatGPT, but not just any script. I've got a secret trick that'll make ChatGPT write exactly the way you talk, with your unique humor or vibe. It's gonna feel like you wrote the script without actually doing it. That's how you build a personal brand without ever showing your face. After that, we'll turn it into a clean, high-quality voiceover using AI. Then we bring everything together with editing, where you'll learn how to add visuals, clips, and even design a thumbnail with zero design experience. Yup, we're covering it all. So let's talk about the content style. The channel I studied for this video focuses mainly on mysterious, bizarre, and lesser-known movies. They skip the mainstream blockbusters and go for hidden gems in their titles. Absolutely savage, brutal descriptions. They follow one golden rule of YouTube titling, "Go Extreme." Whether it's, "This man was trapped in a coffin for 90 minutes," or "She had no idea she married a cannibal," these titles scream curiosity. So don't just pick any random movie pick, the weirdest, most messed up, mysterious one you can find. And once you've got your movie, hop into ChatGPT and ask it to come up with title options just like that. You'll be surprised how close it can get to viral gold. Next up, script writing. Here's where we train ChatGPT to mimic a style like Mystery Recap. Go grab a transcript from one of their videos, paste it into ChatGPT, and say, "Write me a movie recap in this exact style for your movie name." Once it does that, you'll notice it gets the tone pretty close. But here's my personal hack. Add a custom instruction that matches your personality. For me, I went with a mix of dark humor and modern Gen Z sarcasm because it keeps things spicy and makes viewers stay longer. You could go formal, chill, overly dramatic, it's your call. Consistency in your tone across all videos will build that brand identity people come back for. Got the script? Cool. Read it, tweak it, and once you're happy, it's time for voiceover. I personally use tools like ElevenLabs or TTSMaker to generate realistic AI voiceovers that sound human. Just make sure the emotion and tone match the vibe of your script. You don't want a horror recap sounding like a boring lecture. Once you've got your voiceover file ready, we move on to visuals. Now comes the tricky part: movie footage. You can either record the film yourself or find safe, copyright-friendly ways to grab clips. But here's the key. Never use long, continuous scenes or dialogues. Instead, stick to 5-second cuts or use still images. If you're really paranoid about copyright, which you should be, go heavier on images and visual storytelling. You can also get creative by adding animations or AI-generated avatars to fill the gaps and keep viewers engaged. Check out my tutorials if you want to build one of those AI avatars that can act as your digital host. Once everything's lined up: script, voice, clips, it's time to edit. Sync the visuals to your voiceover, add some background music, make sure it's royalty-free, and include subtitles for better retention. Trust me, captions can seriously boost your watch time. A clean edit with tight pacing can make the difference between a flop and a viral hit. Last but not least, we make the thumbnail. This part scares a lot of beginners, but it's honestly the easiest. Just pick the weirdest or most shocking scene that backs up your title. That's your proof the thumbnail shows what your title promises. You can use tools like Canva, Photoshop, or even free mobile apps to design it. Add some big, bold text and tweak the colors to make it pop. Boom. You're done. And there you have it, your very first automated faceless movie recap video ready to upload. Stick with it, keep learning, and remember, this isn't just about going viral. It's about building a brand, sharpening your storytelling, and creating content you're actually proud of. If this helped, drop a comment down below with any questions, and check out my full AI content playlist for more tutorials like this. Until next time, peace out and happy creating.